A cosine curve has a maximum point at 516 and a minimum point of 7.6. Determine the product of the amplitude and midline values. So this is kind of a strange problem. Everything exists in quadrant 1, so let's kind of get a little graph going on here. Max point is 516, so we'll draw that up there. Minimum is way over here at 17.6, so we'll draw that there. This guy is going to look something like this. Okay, now we are dealing with amplitude and we are dealing with midline. Let's take a look at amplitude first. The amplitude is the distance between the tippy top to the very bottom divided by 2. Okay, so the tippy top is going to be 16 minus 6 gives me the total height, and then we're going to divide that by 2. So that is going to be 16 minus 6, which is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. That's our amplitude. Now our midline is basically a horizontal line that cuts our curve into half. Okay, so our midline is going to be the equation that cuts through the middle of my maximum and minimum value. In other words, it's going to be the average of my maximum and minimum value. You find average by doing 16, the maximum, plus 6, the minimum, and then divide that by 2. Okay, 16 plus 6 is 22, the Taylor-Swift special. And then when you divide that by 2, you get 11. So that's my midline value, and my amplitude was 5. They want me to find the product of the amplitude and the midline value because AP Precalculus just has to complicate things. The product is going to be 5 times 11, which is 55. So there you go, a pretty basic problem where they had to complicate it at the very end.